Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with walk-through bathroom, night shades, lift system with adult-sized beds, closets on both sides of the bed, electric awning with LED lights, pleated shades, dual opposing sofas, high-rise faucet, fire extinguisher, overhead storage, AM/FM CD DVD player, stabilizer jacks, battery disconnect, overhead kitchen storage, multiple tie-downs in garage area, carbon monoxide detector, walk-around queen bed, bathroom cabinet with mirror, vanity with sink, 3-burner range, power tongue jack, front bedroom, smoke detector, over-the-range microwave, spare tire, Euro recliner, entry grab handle, dual lights over headboard, living area sofa, ducted AC, stainless double kitchen sink, decorative kitchen backsplash, dual entry doors in bathroom, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, 2 entrances, bathroom toilet, bathroom shower, living area television, lift up queen bed, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.